Dog Brain!
Hello, you. Today, Tinky-Winky, Dipsy, Laa-Laa and Po are going to help us learn our farm animals. Can you guess what animal goes quack, quack?
Uh-oh!
Quack, 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 quack. You're right, it's a duck. Do you want to try and guess another animal? What is this animal? Well done, it's a pig. Do you know what sound a pig makes? That's right, a pig goes oink, oink. Let's guess another animal. Do you know what animal goes moo? Is it a chicken? Is it a sheep? Oh, silly me, it's a cow. Do you want to guess one more? You do? Okay, here we go. What is this animal? Well done, it's a sheep. What sound does a sheep make? Baa. Are you ready for the last animal? What is this animal? This animal goes cluck, cluck, cluck. Shall we hear that again? Cluck, cluck, cluck. A chicken. Well done, you're right. Thank you for joining in with me and the Teletubbies. It's time to say goodbye. See you next time for more fun learning with the Teletubbies.